Hello friends. In this video tutorial I'm going to tell you how are we going to develop or we are going to write program in Python using Notepad++. As in previous video, if you remember, we have discussed that how we are going to how we have developed our programs in ideally the interactive development cell that is being directly provided by Python itself. So we have discussed either we can write our programs in ideally interactive shell that have some complications of writing big programs. So we have another option to choose ideally's editor, in which we can write large programs and then can run. But still we have some third-party editors which are much better of running Python codes and which are much better of handling large programs. One of them is Notepad++. That is really one of the best tools I will say in which you can write Python programs, especially the fundamental programs like for learning processes and this kind of things, in which you are just learning the using of loops and then conditions, then functions and so on. So in this video I'm just going to tell you how Notepad will be used for writing Python programs. So the first step that you have to do is you have to check if Python is installed in your system or not. As in previous videos we have already discussed that how to install Python and how to check interactive programs. So in that case you must have known that how we are going to check that one. So first thing is this, you have to go to all programs and then Python 3.6, and you will check if there is Python 3.6, the 32-bit option is available or not. As you can see here, so I can type something like 2 plus 3 and it should give me some output like that one. That means generally it is being installed. If you are in Windows operating system, you have to press Ctrl Z for exiting from here. So I have been exited from here. Another thing, when you will work with Notepad, then what you have to do is you have to work with command prompt, not with the say Python's prompt. Okay, so command prompt, as you have if you have worked with Java, you must know how we are writing Java programs in command prompt and then executing them. It is similar to that one. Okay, so in this case, if I am using this and I am typing say Python here, the command, the interpreter command of Python execution, it's saying that Python is not recognized. That means the path is not being set for Python development. So first thing that we have to do is we have to set path for that one. If after typing Python you are getting that Python interactive shell command, in that way it's okay, everything is okay, you will skip this path, skip this process. But if after typing Python you are getting this kind of error, that means we have to set path for that one. So how we are going to set path? For that we have to know where Python is installed first. So how to know where Python is being installed? Click on all programs, then go to Python version, especially in 3.6 version you can go to 3.6 module docs. It will show you all kind of modules that is being available in Python, like this one. We have to check the specific path where this Python is being installed is up to this Python 36-32. Okay, so this is the specific path that we have to know, right? This is basically the path where Python is being installed. You can simply copy this from here. Say I'm going to copy, first select this I have selected, and then I will what I will do is I will go to command prompt. I will use set path equals to, right click and paste and then enter, and then I will type Python again, and you will see I am getting this interactive cell. That means this is the path that we have to set. But what will happen when you will this time if I am writing print say hello, then it's working fine. I will press Ctrl Z, I will exit, and then I will exit from here from DOS prompt. Okay, next time when I'm coming back, I'm again typing cmd and I'm coming back to the prompt, and again I am typing Python. I want to execute another program, but still I am getting the same error. So in that case what I have to do, I have to make it permanent. How I will do permanent? I will come out from the command prompt, I will click on start, I will right click on computer, properties. In properties I will go to advanced system settings, Then I will go to environment variables. In environment variables, I have to click on system variables, and it will create a new system variable, that is path. Okay, in this path I will paste the same URL that I have been copied, and then I will click on OK. Then again I will click on OK. The path is being set it up. Now I will close it. Okay, I will go to again command, and then say I'm typing Python. It's working. I'm getting back. Say I'm going to save my file in E drive, and then here I have to check Python is running or not. Yes, Python is running in this case also. That means now my environment is set, and I can write my program in any third-party editor, and here I can directly name the path, name the file, and then I will use the command Python and I can execute it there. Okay, so next thing that I have to do is I will open Notepad++, because I am going to write the program in Notepad++. So I am simply opening Notepad++ in this case, and Notepad++ is here. Now what I will do is I will simply write a simple program as we haven't discussed in the last one. Say A equals to 5 and B equals to 4, C equals to A plus B, and and then I will print say C. Okay, after writing the program I will have to save it somewhere, any external path, whichever path I will write. So say I am using as external directory, say Python E drive is here. Inside I have created a folder named PRG. In this PRG I am saving this file as PRGF, and then I am saving it again. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay, no problem. So this file is being saved with this path prgf.py. Now how will I execute this? I will open the command prompt, and in this command prompt I have to go to the E drive. Then I will go to PRG, the folder where I have installed it. I will use dir and see prgf.py file is here. Now what I have to do is I will have to compile this, directly run this or interpret. So I will write Python. This is the command for executing the program. The name of the file .py. Okay, so you are getting the output in this case. See what happens if I am not giving extension. Okay, it cannot open that one. So I must have to give to extension with the file name, and the command for executing that is Python. Okay, so this is how we can simply write programs in a third-party tool, that is Notepad++. Okay, so back to the presentation. So what we have done, we have checked the Python is being installed in our system, then Ctrl Z to exit from the system. Then I have opened Notepad++. Then in Notepad++ I have opened a new file. In new file I have typed the programs, whatever type of program I wish to write. That should be correct with the Python commands, Python statements. Then I will save it with an extension .py. Okay, after that I will go to the command prompt. I will go to the specific folder where the file is being saved, say F drive or E drive, and then I will write the command Python with the name of the file with extension .py. Okay, and then it will give you the output of that one. So guys, we have learned that how we can write our programs in Notepad++. In next video we will discuss how we can use command line arguments in Python. So Notepad++ is one of the best editor, I will say, for writing simple programs, general programs, and for starting Python. So it is recommended that you should know, for all further programs that we are going for next 5 to 10 lectures, they all will based on Notepad++. So it is recommended that you install it properly and work on that one. If you have any query, any problem, you can just comment me. I'm there to help you in any manner. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep liking and subscribing. Thank you very much.